Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today we are going to do a no budget at the Dollar Tree for Halloween decorations. It is 100 degrees here. I am ready for Halloween. What about you girls?
Yeah.
They are ready to go shopping. I hear that there's a bunch of decorations and stuff, so we're going to get that, and then hopefully we'll start decorating the house and decorate the rooms, and Halloween will be here before we know it. So before we get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button and let's go. You found pumpkins? Oh my gosh, which pumpkin do you like best?
Ew,
I like the glitter ones. You don't like the glitter ones?
This one and this one. Ooh, I never saw them. I haven't saw those.
Oh, they're so cute. You want to get them?
Yeah.
Okay, pick a pumpkin. Pick a pumpkin. It's like a scarecrow owl. Oh my gosh, that's so cute.
I found it.
What are these? Hold on. I see more glitter. What are these? What would I use these for?
Decoration?
Apparently I'm getting that. It's just flying in the bag.
Oh, they're little pumpkins.
Yeah, but what would I use them for, you think?
You put them in the ground for decoration.
In the ground?
Or you can put cake for cakes.
Oh, okay, put it in. I like baking. Alright. I am willing for Halloween to come with colder weather because it's like 100 degrees outside still. That is very, very cute.
Oh,
Very stylish.
Mom, you can...
Alright, I found your cup.
Oh, we're going to Halloween stuff. I like that cup. Get that cup.
Okay.
That is a very spooky Halloween cup. I like it. Ooh, you need to put eyeballs in it.
Ew.
No?
I like it. Blue eyeballs. Who has the blue eyes? Eyeball. Take your eyeball.
Yeah.
Put it in the cup. Okay, so what else do we have? We got some tablecloths. Oh, that's for parties. You put like your little shots and stuff in there.
What's a little orange?
What is this? This is the ice tray for vampire teeth.
Ooh, I like them.
Do you like teeth in your ice?
Ooh.
Or vampire ice teeth? I don't know how to say it. That is a creepy... Oh, it's tongs. Oh, I thought it was just hands, but they're tongs like to pick up a salad with. Like, oh, here's my salad. Are you going to put this in your salad? You like this?
You can do this. Yeah. You can pick it up.
Yeah, that's what you use them for.
Like, pick up Iris' head.
Ooh, zombies. Zombie tape.
Zombies. We're kind of afraid of zombies. Oh, we're getting zombie tape? Okay, we're getting zombie tape.
Caution.
Caution.
Oh, so cute. I love it.
That is a doll. Oh, Daisy's knocking everything down. Daisy, what are you doing?
You know how much that cost?
Yeah. You're just
Oh,
like
that's
over.
$1.
Still knock it all over. Work when you're like being good at school and like putting stickers on there. Oh, okay.
Ooh, can we get these? Mom, I know you love these.
Oh, the foam beads. No, they get everywhere. That is one thing I don't want to get. Okay.
Oh, this is so cute. Look.
Oh, little toys.
Oh, pens.
It looks like there's a lot of toys as
Oh,
options.
pens. Oh, look at these stamps.
Those are cool. I got trick or treat. Too spooky.
My worst nightmare is spiders.
You want it?
Oh, erasers.
Get little spiders for you. And we have like
Oh, no, I put the kitties in there. Oh, this is
Day of the Dead.
From Coco?
okay. Look.
Oh, that's cute.
Oh, that's a cute spider.
Oh, that's an adorable spider.
Look, I'm so terrified of it.
What is this? Oh, nothing. Do you see that over there? Do you see that over there? No, Daisy, look. There's a mouse.
That's creepy.
Is that right?
I want it now.
Mine's up.
From the store.
I am.
It's a cat toy.
That's cat toys. Perfect for a cat.
Ooh, this ghost is kind of cool. Hang it from a tree.
Yeah.
That mouse.
Let's get it.
You want to get the mouse?
Yeah.
Alright, we can get the mouse. But you can't prank me with it. Oh, you like the gray one? Oh, you already put the gray one in there?
Uh-huh.
I wonder if they're $1 each.
I don't know.
And have it be like the witch like fell like that. What do you think?
It's funny.
Those are kind of cool. I like them. It doesn't move, but it still looks creepy. Is there 2 on here? Or is it 1?
think it's.
There's two giant eyes. We'll get it.
Look.
Ooh, spider web. I got a witch's hat. You like it?
Mhm.
All right, we're gonna decorate your room with that then.
Decorating your room for Halloween.
Decorating your room for Halloween. We have countdown to Halloween. I think I like this.
Here's your
Put it on your
head.
window.
Isn't that nice? Isn't that your head?
No, mine doesn't have quite a crack skull. But ooh, there's some spooky signs. Are we decorating your room with all this stuff?
Not all of it.
Oh, not all of it, just the bloody handprint. Ooh, I like that. We have Beware. Oh, this is kind of cute. I like this. What do you like, Daisy? You like any of those?
I like this. I like this one.
You like that one?
Mom, you can put this
Happy
in my room.
Halloween, Witches Beware, Spooky Boo, Creepy Haunted. Ooh, that's kind of cool. Are you decorating your room with it?
Yeah. Mom,
Alright.
I'm gonna decorate my room with this.
You are?
Wait, Mom, give me one of these.
A pumpkin carving set?
Ooh, what about these?
Ooh, oh, do you like?
Okay. Ooh, foam.
Oh, you stick this in the pumpkin. Make a pumpkin face with it.
Oh, it's a pumpkin decorating kit. Oh, that's cute.
Carving. For people that can't carve pumpkins like me.
Oh, I think we need this.
We need that.
I
I like the
this
girl one. Yeah.
I like this. I
like that
love
one?
it. I love this.
You want that one?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
this.
I want the girl one. I'm getting the Santa.
These are stickers.
oh, there's stickers you put on it? Oh.
Mhm.
We put these on the front and these on the back.
Mhm.
I kind of like what Daisy has in her hand better.
Look. Look, Dad. I'm getting this.
Is that a llama pumpkin? A llama pumpkin.
I'm getting
A
this,
long
Dad.
pumpkin. Because there's so
I'm
many
getting
cute
this.
pumpkins out there.
There you
Yeah, I'm getting this.
Oh, okay. Hey, our candy aisle. We haven't gone down the candy aisle yet.
Okay, anything that I see, can I get it?
A costume for you?
Cotton candy. Cotton candy.
What type of animal costume is
Ooh, they got costumes.
It's a mask.
Yeah, but it's kind of freaky looking.
Ooh, look at the pirate.
It's like a skull flower.
Chocolate.
Ooh, chocolate eyeballs.
You can.
Oh,
Or
sorry,
ninja
I was
vest.
trying to pick out
Ooh.
a candy.
You wanna be a pirate?
Or ninja.
You can be a ninja.
A ninja.
Or a dinosaur.
I don't understand who can fit in this mermaid outfit right here.
I know.
Oh, it just kind of wraps around you.
I know who can fit in it. Nola.
Put on like that. I don't think that she like that very much. Alright, let's see what else we
We got this.
have.
Toy for Nola.
You got masks. It's like, ooh. Oh, it's like for a plastic mask. What do you think?
Pumpkin mask.
Oh, you like the cat socks too?
Yeah. Here's this cute. Pop roll.
I think I know where I'm putting it in your Halloween bucket this year. Sour boogers. Yeah, sour boogers. That's what you're getting in yours.
How about this?
Are these the eyeballs that you got for me?
Oh, I don't like these eyeballs.
You don't like eyeballs?
No, they rust in really hard.
Oh my goodness. Did
That's
I
just
agree
pure
to that?
sugar.
That is like pure sugar. Maybe we shouldn't make this in their budget. I think like they're just taking all the candy. Just stirring it in.
Yeah, we are.
What's your
Think
favorite
so.
type of candy?
My favorite type of candy is all of them.
All of them? That's your favorite type of one?
Twizzlers.
Twizzlers?
I think
Yeah,
I like candy
Twizzlers.
corn and Pop Rock.
I did find Twizzlers. Do you like fun-sized Twizzlers?
I like the ones that's like the
Where you peel off?
Airhead! Wait.
The twisty ones? Which Twizzlers? Which Twizzlers?
Wait, what's the difference?
These are fun size, snack size, and these are slightly different.
Bigger size.
She can't make a
Bigger
decision.
size.
Not bigger size.
Bigger size.
Airhead. Very fishy. And then we have Laffy Taffy. You like Laffy Taffy? I don't think they really like Laffy Taffy. You like Laffy Taffy?
Here you go.
What is that?
Lollipop fingers. Zombie lollipop fingers.
That
Yeah?
looks cool. Are you
How's
gonna do
that?
zombie fingers?
Yeah.
Yeah, zombie fingers.
I'm gonna have some right sugar.
How about googly eyes? You want to eat eyeball?
Oh, Bro Rose is already one step ahead of you.
Oh,
She got
you already got
some
this.
Uh,
See anything else?
Whoa.
Probably candy.
What are those?
what are those?
Chocolate tails.
Cow tails?
Cow tails. Have you ever had cow tails before? Oh, you'll like it.
Look.
And what is a lip pop? Oh, these are like lip lollipops. Lip lollipops. Have you ever seen these before?
Hmm.
The blue raspberry lollipops for this flavor.
Chicken.
Pumpkins. Ooh.
What's
Oh, the
that?
mini pumpkins. These are good. I do like that.
Mom, what's this?
Oh, bloody bites.
Ooh.
Ew, it oozes.
Ew.
Okay, so now we're going to show you some of the goodies we got. We have our candy bags here. What is this?
Cotton candy.
Cotton candy.
Candy
corn,
corn.
cotton candy.
Ooh.
And then blueberry. It looks like somebody already got into blueberry.
Mmm.
Let me see.
Yeah, I don't smell
I
it.
can't smell. I don't smell anything. Do you smell it?
Smell like blueberry?
Does it taste like blueberry or blueberry?
Smell it.
I can't. Maybe I smell a little bit of the candy corn there, but this is like their favorite
Tastes like
thing is
candy
cotton
corn. Pop
cotton candy. Pop rocks, yes. You like
Pop
pop rocks?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, we got some zombie fingers.
Ooh, I want one.
A bag of Twizzlers.
Ooh.
And a classic
Candy corn.
candy corn. Now, this should not be in the candy bag. I about screamed. What is this doing in there? I thought we put this one back, but we have our little mouse friend here that runs around.
That's for the cat.
It's for the cat. The cat.
Mhm,
I don't know
yeah,
if it'll
the
work
cat
on
toy.
here because of the holes, but yeah, let's see. I don't think. Oh no, it's stuck. But ew, that thing is going to scare me in the middle of the night. I can just imagine some pranks coming already.
Oh yes, I'm a master at it.
Oh yeah.
You have to have a fancy cup.
We do. We have our fancy Halloween cup. This would be good for like Monster Punch.
Yeah.
And
Guillotine.
a skull
A skull.
and a spider web. Oh, does this glow in the dark?
Yeah.
All right, look and see. Does it glow in the dark? I can see.
It does. It does.
It glows in the dark. We like glow in the dark type things.
Yeah.
A sign we're hanging up in the girls' room.
Woo. More stuff.
I'm gonna put that on your door.
Caution tape.
We got caution tape. Oh, what else do we have?
We got pumpkin.
I don't know what we're doing with this yet,
Hey.
but we'll come up with something.
We got a cute little pumpkin dress.
And stickers to go in the
And-
windows.
Some lights.
A lantern.
Lantern.
Zombie tape.
Ooh,
Maybe we should be zombie family for Halloween this year. I don't know. What do you think?
a panda.
A panda. Is that how you're gonna do your pumpkin?
Yeah.
And
Pumpkin
socks.
socks.
And some more
And
stuff. So we did pretty good at the Dollar Tree. I have to admit, we got some good decorations. I can't wait to decorate your room first. Are we decorating your room first?
Where's all the candy at?
Our candy bag already got broken into in the short little drive over here. There is no more. We are missing Twizzlers, some Pop Rocks, and what else?
a little bit of cotton candy.
A little bit of cotton candy that they got it into.
Yeah, I see the wrappers over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, she had some Twizzlers.
Me?
Yeah,
I
and
had
her,
one Twizzler.
and you. She
One
made
Twizzler.
me have Twizzlers. She made me. She just made it come to me.
Here, have some cotton candy right now. Or candy corn. Alright, so that was our haul from the Dollar Tree. Let us know what you think in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe and we'll be seeing you soon.